Sayang. I don't know if it's Ron's idea or if it's Ren's idea or idea yung dalawa. But regardless, it's a stupid fucking move. I'm telling you. If you can't raise fair and square, don't raise at all. Okay? And remember, negosyo nyo, pyesa ng motor. You're investing, marketing, and promoting a brand. Yet, bili kayo sa Thailand. Okay lang. Sana, kung yung engine upgrades nyo, Thailand, tatak. That's supporting their business and industry. There's no problem there. Problem is, if I'm correct, nakalagay Red Speed RS8 Taiwan. Gawa kayong open na straight RS8. Diba? Anyway, tinitira nyo ako hiding under Ron's Yuson's shadow. Diretsuhin nyo na ako. Anyway, malinis naman yung konsensya ko. I know I did not step on your shoe. I know. I even took the effort to call people that I can call to ask if unconsciously naapakan ko kayo. But they told me no. Pa? Oh. My advice for you now, sa inyong dalawa, manahimik na lang kayo. Dahil pag nilabas ko to, lahat, malalaman at malalaman ng taong bayan na everything that I said in this live video is true. And I stand sa lahat ng sinasabi ko because I have screenshots and screen recordings. Ha? Android ako, hindi Apple. Madali mag-screen record. Sobrang pangit ng ginawa nyo sa racing industry. You never even thought of the Thai people that you brought to the Philippines. You're dragging all of them into this mess in which they never had an idea. They are all very innocent of all your dirty work here. I pity all of them. They're siding on the wrong team. I love the Thai people. I love the Thai racing community. I bet they like me too. It's just that the both of you are ruining the reputation of the racing industry in the Philippines and of the Filipinos. To that, shame on you. Shame on you. Sabihin nyo, KTM ko hindi nanakbo. Remember, nag-champion ako sa NGO. Take Mike Works as an example. Idol ko yan na mekaniko. Unlimited yung pag-iisip. Very open-minded. Very open to suggestions and everything. Ginawa niya yung KTM nila. Basic pa lang ginawa niya. Pinort, hinay comp, pinilitang gasolina. Yung tatlo lang. That's what I know of. Okay? That's what I know of. Nag-declare ng oras kanina. lumakas. Tingin nyo, nung hinamon ako, hindi rin ako nag-upgrade. Kita ng lahat, Blaze 100. Yung gamit ko sa NGO. Race gas na ako. Ngayon. So, kung bumilis yung motor ni MikeWorks ng 0.4, humina yung sa akin. Nag-declare siya ng oras, 'di ba? Pinakita niya na kaya ng Pinoy. That's why he declares the time. Pinapakita publicly. That's to show everybody na kaya nyo. That's to inspire you. Hindi yan pagyayabang. Ginagawa ng mga tao yan na malinis yung pag-iisip, maayos yung pag-iisip. Not to brag but to inspire. Na kaya natin, kaya ng Pinoy. Ano ba yung time pinost niya nung una? 6.2, 6.3? Something like that. Ngayon 5.9, nag-race gas. Oh. Eh, yung sa akin, nag-race gas ako, humina. Oh, wala kang idea sa time ko, pero may idea ko sa takbo. So, kung bumaba yung time ko ng 0.3, di ba? Kahit doblehin nyo pa yung makina nyo. Kaso, sa sobrang takot nyo, you resorted to playing the dirty card. 'Di ba? Oh. Sige. Mag-PM na kayo sa akin or mag-PM or siraan nyo na ako at siraan. Wala akong problema. Wala akong problema. Kung totoong kilala nyo ako, alam nyo, wala akong problema dyan. Dahil I'm sure everything I'm saying is true and correct. Si Rons mismo may sabi, si Red Speed tumulong sa kanya. Yun. So, kung hindi totoo, kung walang kinalaman si Red Speed dito, sinungaling si Rons. Kung hindi nagsinungaling si Rons, bakit nakikialam kayo, Red Speed? Diba? Why do you have to hide behind Rons Yuson's? In that case, if that's the case, why do you have to hide behind Rons Yuson's shadow? Diba? Why don't you come up with your own brand, with your own team? Promote yung RS8 nyo. Takbo ko yung super open na RS8. Diba? That's the cream of the crop. That's where you can test yourself kung hanggang saan kaya mo. Because there's no rules but just one cylinder. One naturally aspirated cylinder. That's where you can explore everything you want. Wala kang rules na susundin. That's why gusto ko super open. Oh. One more thing before ko to i-end. Rons Yuson, Pinoy ka. Red Speed, I'm guessing Pinoy kayo. Alam nyo, nakakarera ako sa Thailand. Bringing the Philippines. 'Di ba? As a Filipino team. Kung maayos sana yung utak nyo, instead na guluguluhin nyo ako, sa money game nyo, dalhan nyo pa akong 3 Sonic, na wala naman kayong kinalaman, bayaran nyo pa yung mga riders para maging magulo, this and that, all that shit. Kung pro-Pinoy pa kayo, in which yung customers nyo Pinoy, yung fans nyo Pinoy, kung pro-Pinoy kayo, dapat naisip nyo, wag na muna natin guluhin tong Team Good Boy. Let's give them time to prepare for Thailand NGO, because they will be representing the Filipinos because they are a Filipino team. 'Di ba? Ganun dapat. Suporta sa kababayan. 'Di ba? Think about that. Think about that and tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, to wrap things up, I might have forgotten something, but definitely I have all the evidences here in my phone. To wrap things up, it's wrong, whether you admit it or not, it's wrong to play the dirty card. Nabayaran mo. It's wrong to pay, to offer, to pay or whatever. For a rider, not to ride for somebody else. That's wrong because you already have your driver. Si Bank is very good. Bank is very good. Why do you doubt him? Diba? Why do you have to pay all the other riders not to go for this team? That's insulting to Bank because that shows that you're not confident with him. Diba? Because why do you have to pay the other riders not to race for the other team? That's wrong. Why do you have to scam people and impersonate me on Facebook? And God knows what you've been saying there in that group chat. Nung na-discover ko, nagsialisan kayo lahat eh. Left the group kayo lahat eh. Oh. And I checked yung nagpretend na Axel Teves, gumawa ng fake account din, nagpretend din to be Je Monzales. Pero hindi siya si Je Monzales. Je Monzales ginamit na pangalan. Tapos he changed his name within the group chat to Axel Teves using Axel Teves profile picture. Chinek ko sa members ng group, Ron Suson was there. His account is verified so he cannot deny that it's not him. He was there. It was Ron Suson, the verified account, conversing with the impersonator na Axel Teves. Why do you have to do that? You cannot deny that. I have evidence. Please don't deny that. Don't make yourselves look like fucking fools.